Hello everyone. You are watching a clip of Dr. Rasan Tarabine, an American board-certified neurologist and spinal interventionist. He had been recognized as the top doctor in America and a world-leading physician. Since he recently retired, after 25 years practice in the United States, he has published several books on Amazon and produced many teaching and educational video clips. You are about to watch something you've never seen or known before. It certainly can change your life. You will never be asked to subscribe, like, or share his videos, simply because he does not need that. But if you choose to do so, it will be only for your good, not his. You can find out more about him at drtarabane.com. And he could be contacted at rasan@drtarabane.com. Also find him on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn.
It's all in there. Einstein wanted to unify gravity, the electromagnetic force, and the two nuclear powers. He wanted to unify all four forces into one theory, the theory of everything. If Newton's work on the mechanics of moving objects and gravity helped lay the groundwork for the Industrial Revolution, then Maxwell and Faraday united electricity and magnetism to give us the electromagnetic force, the electric revolution of dynamo generators and light bulbs. And last, we had E=mc², which helped pave the way for the nuclear power, which changed human history. As we try to put the whole thing together into one formula to decode the secrets of the universe, we suddenly find that the concept of relativity contradicts the quantum theory. While the quantum theory is based on chopping things up into particles, in contrast, Einstein's philosophy envisions smooth curves representing spacetime. Thus, the greatest minds of humans have made only proposals to explain God's creation. There is an abundant reference about mechanics and relativity in the Holy Quran, well before Newton and Einstein's times. Examples are, "So, I swear one by the location the stars cites." Dr. Tarabane, the founder and president of the Islamic Institute International, explains,
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم. The Lord takes an oath in the Holy Quran, saying that, "So, I do swear by the positions of the stars, and this, if only you knew, is indeed a great oath." At any given time when we are on earth, looking at the sky and seeing, let's say, a certain star that is about 10 light years away from Earth, which is not really a very far distance compared to other stars. And light year, just to remind you that it is a unit of time and not a unit of space and distance, and not a unit of time. It denotes the time that a light travels within a full year. Remembering that the light travels at a distance of about 300,000 kilometers per second. So the light travels or crosses a huge distance within a year. And for a star that's 10 light years away from Earth is quite a bit of distance. So here we are right now, looking at that star that looks like it is here, but actually it is not. Because 10 years ago, when that light was sent out, it was 10 years ago, October 12, 2011 at midnight. It took 10 years to reach the eye of the observer in South America. However, in 10 years, the star has moved to another location, could be anywhere, at a distance equal from that location right here. We'll assume right here, but definitely what we see at midnight on that date is not the location of the star. It is not. So the whole take point is that whatever we see on the sky from stars is the locations of the star where they were some time ago. I'm assuming 10 years in the case of that, just for example, but every location of the star we see in the sky is not the exact location. Only God knows the exact location of each star.
Surah Al-Najm, the chapter of the star, contains the entire narrative of the Miraj. Allah, Most High, takes an oath by a collapsing dying star. In modern astrophysics, it is the black hole, a region of infinite density, and a portal to other parallel universes. That means, if you go through the black hole to the other side, there are universes. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, saw the future of the cosmos. Allah did show him everything. He was brought there because he wanted to show him the cosmos and how everything was created. He saw the recurrence of the whole creation process, so Allah showed him the entire process of creation. The prophets he encountered in the parallel universes were all represented in the different stages of the modern era, where he met Musa, Nuh, and Ibrahim. Allah told us in the Holy Quran, "You have been granted very little of knowledge." Chapter 17, verse 85. This statement was true 1,400 years ago, and is still very true now. Everything is in there, in the Holy Quran.